Hi everybody, it's Samantha here from D Brown. I'm going to show you how to make a soup. It's called black bean vegetable soup. It's pretty tasty, very easy to make. And so some of the things that you're going to need right off the bat is you're going to want some carrots and celery. Of course, wash them and chop them up like I already did mine. And then you're going to have some onion and garlic right there. Chop that. I have some apples that come a little bit later. So, and of course, we got some broth. This is vegetable broth. You could use a different kind if you want to, I'm sure. Now, one thing I'm going to show you is, because the garlic has to be minced. So, don't know if you know how to mince garlic, but let me show you really quick. It's easy. You're going to, of course, take your little piece, because it comes from a big bulb, but you just want a little clove. And you're going to take it, you're going to peel it, because there's a little bit of skin around it, protecting it, little peel. So make sure you peel it all off. And just like that. So it's all skin off of it. And you want to lay it down. Take the flat of your knife, lay it down flat just like that. Not the chopping way, but flat. And you're just going to put your hand over it and smash it just like that. So it smashes, and then it's a lot easier to cut it really small, because you're minced means to have it really small. So there we go, just like that. And then we'll put that in here for later. All right. So now, after you have your things chopped and all, you're going to want to take care of the black beans. Oh, just so you know, it's a good idea to have the recipe around. So, but our next thing is that you're going to have 2 cans of black beans, and you are going to want to kind of rinse them off. So you're going to put them in a colander, like I've done, and then just rinse them off a little bit, just like that. Now, next, what you need to do with your beans is you're going to add half of them into a bowl like this. Just part of them, not all of them. So, let me get my spoon. So see, just going to add this part of them, not all of them. Okay, there we go. And then in with that, you're going to want to do your can of tomatoes, just like this. Add that in there. And then you want to mush them up really good together. You can use a fork, but I have a little masher thing. So you're going to mush it up really good so that they're mixed together. Take a couple minutes to do. Mush them as much as you want or as little as you want. That's one thing I like about soups, is that you can kind of change things if you want to. Add things. So, all right. So there we go. Got mashed up tomatoes and beans. Just like that. Now, once you get that, you're going to want to get your big cooking pot, just like I have right here. Now, to start it off, you're going to want to do some canola oil to help, make it to where you can cook. So you're going to actually take a tablespoon of the oil. Let's get this one. There we go. So, got your stove turned on. And not wanting a lot, just like I said, 1 tablespoon. There we go. Pour that in. Just like that. Then you kind of want to let it cook just a little bit, heat up. There we go. Now, when you do have it heated up, you're going to want to do the onion and garlic first. And you're going to kind of want to make it to where the onion might get a little bit soft as it's cooking. So let's wait just a minute for my oil to heat up. I like to do this and spread it around a little bit. So I'll wait just a couple of minutes. And of course, after we're going to do that, it's important for us to have like our vegetables nearby and our seasonings. This is my chili powder and cumin. Right there. So, all right, it's starting to get nice and heated up. So, I'll go ahead and put onion and garlic. Just like that. Put this in the sink. There we go. And now, just need to let it cook just for a few minutes, like 5 minutes. Till it gets a little soft. Okay, so, and also you're gonna want to add the celery and carrots. All right, so there we go. There. And stir a little bit, not often, just a little. All right, after a few minutes of having this cooked, you want to put the seasoning in. Just kind of sprinkle it around. Here, I'm going to stir that up. All right. After that's cooked for a little bit, next you're going to add the rest of your ingredients. We're going to add our apple, like that. Got our bean and tomato mixture. That in. Of course, the rest of our black beans. Get our broth. Get it all out. There we go. Out there. Then we wanted to get it to boil for a little bit. So I turn up. There. Stir it up a little bit. Now you're wanting it to boil for a few minutes, and then you'll turn down the heat after you get it boiled. Okay, once you kind of get it boiling, just like a minute or two, of course you're going to reduce the heat. Might stir it a little bit. Then you're going to turn the heat down to where it's simmering, and then let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. You just kind of want to do it to where the vegetables are kind of soft. Okay, so we'll check back in on it again in a minute, about 10, 15. All right, so it's been about 10, 15 minutes, so should be good, not good. And that's how you're gonna see look how good that is. All right, but that is how you would make the black bean and vegetable soup. So I hope you enjoy it. You can try it a couple times. Make it more than once. You can always add different things to it. Leave something out. It's fun. So I hope y'all have a great day.